Ava, what's that on your wall? Look it. Who is that?
Mickey.
Is that a new Mickey? Oh my good. And then what's this? I'll read it to you. Golly gee, you found us. Ho ho hee hee for gift number 4. Look under the Christmas tree.
Oh my goodness. Daddy, don't go anywhere.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Be quiet.
What is it? It's a Mickey book. Ava, open it all the way up to the back. What's inside of it? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 14. I cannot believe that it is already day 14. This is wild. Anyways, today is so much nicer outside. So I have a couple things planned today. I'm gonna go and do a special craft with Ava. During the springtime, Ava and I made some little bird feeders, and it's just, all you need is like a pine cone and some peanut butter. And they worked out so well. She had so much fun. Well, here, come with me for a second. Let me show you. Where is it? There it is. I hid it away. During Thanksgiving, we went to the farmer's market and I found this sweet heart-shaped bird feeder. So I thought I would take this, and then Ava and I would go out, collect some pine cones and make some more bird feeders, and then we'd go put them outside. We have so many birds out here and it's nice out today, so I thought that that would be a really fun, kind of Christmassy time craft. So lots of Christmas activity here. I'm still keeping up on my housework. I have a load of laundry going. I'm actually washing my duvet cover because I really want to make sure that we have nice, clean, fresh sheets leading up to Christmas. Yeah, so here we go. Let's get it all done. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle and Christmas. So make sure you click that like and subscribe button down below and also hit that bell for notifications. Day 14 and I haven't missed a video yet. I'm really proud of myself. I don't know if I can keep this up. I'm getting some bags under my eye. I'm sure gonna give it a really good effort. Okay, let's get into today's video. Okay, so we are outside. It's actually quite nice out today. And we are looking for the biggest and best pine cones that we can find for the birds. So Ava, let's go get the pine cones.
Our snowman.
There's our snowman that we had up last time. So we put these up in the spring and summer. And we need to put up new ones. Even if it's just for a little bit, it's nice just to get outside, get some fresh air. You know, some days can be hard with all these restrictions and Christmas coming up. But we gotta make the best out of it, don't we? Okay, little Miss Muffet. Oh wow, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so mission accomplished. We got 4 pine cones. Now we're gonna head inside and make those little bird feeders. Then we'll come back outside and feed our little birdies for Christmas. We have this beautiful blue jay out here. And it's rare when we see him, but he's so pretty. So I want him to have a full belly for Christmas. Okay, so we went outside and Ava and I got 4 big pine cones. Now, here, I'll show you guys. So the pine cones that you want have bigger surface area on the cones of the, I don't know what they're called. Anyways, you get my gist. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cover the pine cone with peanut butter, and then we have some fine bird seed. We're gonna roll the pine cone in the bird seed. Now when we did this in the summer, when I brought the pine cones in, there were some spiders on them. So I'm hoping that the spiders are frozen. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I have some string here and I'm just gonna tie a knot, a loop around the pine cone so that we can hang it up easily on the tree. Laughing all the way. So all the pine cones have string attached to them. So now I have some peanut butter and a butter knife. So what you want to do is you want to take, yeah, just a little bit of peanut butter, and you're gonna cover the pine cone with the peanut butter. Then you're gonna roll it in the bird seed. Okay, so how about this, Miss Muffet? How about this? I'm going to cover it in peanut butter and Ava can roll it in the bird seed. Deal?
Yeah.
Okay, and then when we're done, we're gonna put on this cookie sheet.
Roll it in peanut butter. Roll it.
We gotta get this side. There you go. Roll it
No,
in.
no,
Yeah.
I can roll it in the butter.
Make sure you really get it stuck all over. Oh my goodness! Look at this one! Ava! Good girl.
Let me take.
Okay, so now, Miss Muffet, put it gently on here. Yeah, perfect.
We did it.
Those birdies, they're gonna be lucky. Oh, I think the birds are gonna love this. And don't worry, we did check and birds can have peanut butter. Okay, ready? So we got 2 more pine cones, so I think we just need another scoop. I think our birds are gonna be the best fed. Look at this beautiful bird feeder we got. We got this from the farmer's market. Contains a variety of premium seeds, nuts, herbs, fruits, and vegetables. No preservatives or artificial flavors. Wow. So this bird feeder is from forthebirds.ca and it is made in Canada, which is even better. Oh wow, Eva, good girl. This one's perfect. Woo, okay. These birds are in for a treat. So, these are the bird feeders. These are the little pinecone bird feeders that we made. So we have 4 of these and we'll go put them on the tree. And then this beautiful guy. Look at this one, Ava. Oh my goodness, look at how perfect it is. Yeah, so we're gonna put them all in that tree out there, okay, miss? Okay, so should we head on outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to call Dad.
Let's go back outside.
I need to call Dad.
All right, so there's our Christmas craft done for today. It's our Christmas presents to the birds. Merrick's making fun of me, but I love our birds. Ava, where are we going?
To see the lights.
We're gonna take a special drive. And did Daddy make you hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So Merrick, there he is. Merrick had a great idea that we should all get in the car and drive past our lights that we have in the city just to check it out, because then maybe tomorrow, if it's nice enough, maybe we'll go for a walk and check out the lights. But he made us, Ava, what did Daddy make you?
A hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. So we're all loaded up and we're ready to go see some Christmas lights. However, I still think our display has the most heart. Alright, so we found a great little spot to check out the lights, and it actually is not busy at all. So I think tomorrow we're gonna go. Little Miss Muffet wants to get out now and go, but I think tomorrow we're gonna go and check out these lights. But this was a nice little drive-by, hot chocolate, Christmas carols. So tomorrow we'll get bundled up and maybe we'll come and check out the lights. How does that sound, Monkey? Okay, so we are back home and it is time for us to go to bed early. Ava's already sound asleep. The lights were so pretty, but we'll probably think about maybe going for the walk around the lights, wearing a mask. I don't know yet, but I am so ready for bed. My bed is calling me, my pajamas are calling me. So I'm gonna call it a night and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15. Mwah! Good night, guys.
The snow is falling.